Hello, welcome to a new lesson of this English course for beginners. In this lesson, we will practice the verb to be with an easy conversation. So, the idea is that you pay attention to the conversation, stop the video if it is necessary for you, and repeat out loud the pronunciation of each word and each phrase. Let's begin.
Stop and repeat.
I like your family photos. Who is this?
That is my dad. He is a doctor.
Wow, he is very tall.
Yes, he is.
Is this your mom?
Yes, she is a doctor too.
Wow, smart family.
Who are these people?
That is my husband. In this picture, he is at work.
Is he a fireman?
Yes, he is. And this is my daughter.
Wow, she is so cute.
Yeah, she is very cute.
Who are the people in this picture?
They are my older brother and younger sister.
Oh, what do they do?
My sister is a pilot. My brother is a farmer.
Wow, they have cool jobs.
Yep, and they are very good siblings.
Remember that we use subject pronouns to replace nouns to avoid repetition. First, you give context and later you mention the subject pronouns. For example, I have a sister. She is a student. I have a brother. He is 32 years old. Let's see some more examples. I love my mother. She is a doctor. My father is a farmer. He is 50 years old. My friends are crazy. They live near my house. I love my mother. She is a doctor. My father is a farmer. He is 50 years old. My friends are crazy. They live near my house. This is the end of this lesson. See you in the next video. Bye.
They usually listen to music in the mornings. They usually listen. If I am speaking about my sister, I say she usually listens to music in the morning. Look at the verbs are different. They listen, she listens to music in the mornings.